Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you the 23 SAT tips and tricks you must use. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. Tip 11. Underline key parts of the question. If you've been missing questions on the math portion because you unintentionally solved for the wrong value, you should apply this advice. To avoid confusion while performing the calculations, highlight the information that you must discover in the question. Tip 12. Memorize formulas. Even if the SAT math portion gives you a list of formulae, continuously going back to them will make you lose time and momentum. It is best to remember all the formulas in advance. To make sure you're ready, read our article on the formulas you need to be familiar with for the SAT math part. Tip 13. Memorize grammar rules. To avoid confusion, it is helpful to learn the principles of grammar because the SAT writing component uses a certain standardized approach to the subject. Even if you consider your grammar to be above average, relying solely on what looks right to you is not always sufficient. Tip 14. Be careful with no change answers. You should review your responses to the writing section questions if you find that you are answering no change for a number of them. No change will only be the appropriate response in 25% or fewer of the questions. If you select it more frequently than that, you might be overlooking something. Before you commit, make sure you double-check it. Tip 15. Skim the paragraph before answering rhetoric questions. Unlike grammatical questions, which simply call for reading through a few lines at most to discover the right response, rhetorical questions demand that you consider entire paragraphs or the passage as a whole. Inquiries questioning the function of phrases, the logical order of sentences, and the author's voice and style are a few examples of rhetorical inquiries. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.